Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ernie. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to map the PM2.5 using Google Earth engines. We will use data from this website, Google Earth Community Catalog.org. I will uh, put in the description if you want to know about uh, if you want to know or if you want to use these data sets. So this data set is Global High Air Pollutants PM2.5 concentrations from 2017 until 2022. And this data set is high resolution because the spatial resolution is around 1 kilometers. And here the RM, uh, RMSE is around zero point 0.2 micrograms meter cubic on the daily base. And the coefficient of determinations or R square is 0.91. So it's very high quality. And don't forget to cite these citations using this just copy. And if you want to use for your paper or publication, you should cite this citation, just copy here. And yes, this one is how to use in the Google Earth engines. If you need daily data, just copy this snippet and go to your Google Earth engines and copy in your code editor. Or if you need the monthly data set, just copy for monthly data set. And for yearly, just copy yearly data sets. And you can do by yourself the statistical analysis using that data set that you need in your ROI. So today I will show based on the sample code here. Need a little times. Okay, and then just run it. So this one is print for the total daily images that's provide for us is around 2,187 here. And here it's already the scale because you can see here you need to put the scaling here 0.1. So in this code is already applied the scale. And this one is for the visualizations. I will use this palette. And this one is for add to the layers. And for this image is we will use the first image. It means the new one image. And if you want to maybe make a ROI, you can get ROI from the FRO, for examples. Administrative boundary. Just import it as a table, for example, and make a variable for ROI. And map the sorry. And make it as a center object. With the scale, for example, 4. Run it. Now it's already showing here my ROI here. And if you want to clip with your map, just clip here as ROI, copy it to make it easy, and run it. So we will get four layer here, for layer country, and the daily, here the daily for the first image, and here is for the monthly. Sorry, there is yearly. So here is this is for the daily. So in my ROI, you can see in Java Island is very yes, the highest value in Java Islands. In Sumatrans is in the south, but is Kalimantan or Borneo is okay, or Sulawesi, this island, or Papua is, yeah, it's okay. Or if you want to see monthly and the yearly map. So this data set is very helpful for us. And maybe if you have any point, or yes, in your ROI that you have the ground data, you can compare with this data from satellite. For example, maybe you have the ground data, daily data. You can put, for example, here, I will show you for 1 point. You can put 1 point in your map. Just put here, for example, and it will be here as a geometry. And copy this longitude and latitude. Just copy is this as a longitude. You can change it based on your point. And then just run it. Here I will use the mean value. You can use other statistical, like maybe you need the maximum value or other value. You can change this statistical. And this one is for the scale is 1 kilometer, very high resolutions. And this one is for the image collection we will get from daily, so it will be showing as a daily data sets, the chart. And the title is a daily PM 2.5 over this point, and the horizontal axis is will be as a date, and the vertical axis is it will be PM.2 of PM2.5 in microgram per meter cubic, because here the unit is in microgram per meter cubics. And then this one is the line width and the point size, and it will be showing as a blue. And this one is for print chart in the console, and just run it. And after a few moments, it will be showing for us in the console menu. Need a little time. Okay, now it's already showing here. So we can see, okay, if you want to see it's more detail, you can click here. So we can see in 2017, there is for November, there is 30.35 microgram per meter cubic PM2.5 in Mike Point. Or here in May 17, 2021, 30.53 microgram per meter cubic PM2.5. And if you want to download as CSV, you can just download it and you will get the data in the CSV format. Or if you want to download this chart, just download as a PNG. You can save it in your computer or your laptop. Okay, thank you very much. I will put this website in the description menu, and if you need the code, you can ask in the comment, or you can directly to go to this website and copy from this sample code, or just use this code. That's from my side today. I hope this tutorial can help you if you, yes, maybe interest to do the air pollution monitoring. Thank you very much.